As students, we spend decades in the classroom, but we're ignoring an invisible threat. Traditional whiteboard markers contain up to 20% VOCs, petrochemical toxins that could cause nausea, lung inflammation, and headaches.
For me, this wasn't just a statistic. Since installing a whiteboard in my bedroom, I've experienced these symptoms on a daily basis. We decided to challenge the status quo that forces students to choose between their health and their grades.
Thus, we created PureInk. It's a respiratory-safe marker ink that replaces fossil fuels with green chemistry.
We center our ink around ethyl-lactate, a non-toxic solvent produced from agricultural waste through fermentation.
Combined with natural shellac, polyethylene wax, triethyl citrate, and soy lecithin, our marker ink matches the performance of traditional marker inks in terms of erasability, clogging resistance, and color intensity, but with zero toxin emissions.
Focusing on SDG goal-free, good health and well-being, our ultimate impact is to set up a classroom where students can learn and have fun without health risks.
We are making learning safe and joyful by replacing toxic chemicals with our innovation.
Join us in making a healthier life for millions of students.
We are PureInk.